In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Make with Monday.com. We'll connect the two using Zapier, so that activity in Make can automatically trigger updates in Monday.com without any manual work. Start by signing in to your Zapier account so you can access the editor. In the editor, begin with the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Think of the trigger as the when this happens part. Search for Make as your trigger app and select it. You'll see a list of trigger events. Choose the one that best reflects what you want to listen for in Make. If you aren't sure which to pick, open the event descriptions and choose the option that most closely matches your use case. Next, connect your Make account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to authorize access, which allows Zapier to read the specific data needed for your trigger. Make sure you're connecting the correct Make organization and use the minimum access necessary for your workflow. After connecting, run a test trigger. This pulls in a recent sample from Make so you can see the fields that will be available later. If no sample appears, create a quick example event in Make and test again so the data is fresh. With the trigger working, move to the action, the do this step. Search for Monday.com as your action app and select it. Choose the action event you want, such as creating or updating an item. The right action depends on whether you want to add new items, change statuses, or post updates. Now sign in to your Monday.com account and authorize Zapier to access the relevant workspace. After connecting, click Continue and configure the action. Select the board and group where you want the data to go, then map fields from the Make trigger into the Monday.com columns. Pay special attention to required fields like item name, status, or date. For statuses and drop-downs, match values exactly to what exists in your board. If you're using people, teams, or IDs, confirm those fields are mapped to the right identifiers. When dates or numbers are involved, make sure the format matches what Monday.com expects. When everything looks right, click Test. Zapier will send a test record to Monday.com using your mappings. Check for a success message, then visit the target board to confirm the item or update appears as expected. If you see errors, review the required fields, fix any mismatched values, and test again. And that's it. You've connected a Make trigger to a Monday.com action through Zapier, verified it with sample data, and ensured your fields are mapped correctly for reliable automation.